just checked in the hotel some time back. So we have booked 2 rooms for the 2 of us, of course. And we didn't spend much time in the room. Like we just came and just washed our face and everything. And now we are going for a little tour nearby in the nearby places. So yeah, even I'm not sure where are we going, but then I'll take you guys along wherever we go.
ये नया बना है बिल्कुल। ओके, क्योंकि मैंने जिस दिन परसों चौथ आया था उस दिन ही देखे किसी ने अपनी वाइफ की याद में बनवाया काली माता का
We are now at the Gaushala, and this is what we are taking to feed the cattle inside. All of these have been bought to feed the cattle in the Gaushala. What is the name of the Gaushala?
गोविंद गोधाम।
Govind Godham.
गोविंद गोधाम।
Govind Godham is the name of the Gaushala.
श्री गोविंद गोधाम।
Shri Govind Godham.
खिलाओ खिलाना आता है इनको, कैसे खिलाना है विशाल?
हाँ सर, कर लूँगा।
ओके, दो क ये बचा लेना, 2 की ये और 2 क लड्डू। आगे वाली गाय को खिलाओ। ऐसे रखना, हाँ तो ऐसे रखें। हाँ
डाल दे। आगे डाल दे मिक्सर।
हाँ चलो जी।
What do you have to say?
I'm having a very good time over there. I always wanted to do it.
Okay.
It's like it gives a sense of inner peace.
Yeah. It's amazing.
Yeah.
When I tried it, I'm trying for the first.
हाँ हाँ, भी ऐसे ऐसे खिसकाते जाना। हाँ, इसको खींचो इधर को, हाँ इधर को, राइट। चलो, ये इनका गाय का डिनर हो गया।
Feels so good.
हाँ, आओ जी इधर भी।
चुटकू बीच में चुटकू
उनको लोग कुछ खाने को लाए। राधे 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 राधे।
लेके चलते हैं हाथ काटने उठ नहीं पा रही है वो, डर रही है।
वो उसको डर लग रहा है ना कि स्ट्रेंजर आ गए। राधे राधे जी, राधे राधे, राधे राधे।
सो क्यूट, दे आर ऑल सो क्यूट।
बहुत
पूरे धारे जैसे शरीर में गर्मी रहेगा।
हाँ
नहीं ठीक है ठीक है।
बच्चे छोटे बच्चे को बचाना।
राधे राधे जी, राधे राधे, राधे राधे, शाम मिला दे, राधे राधे, शाम मिला दे। चलो जी, कर दो जी।
So what I got to know is that there used to be a calf. Her name was Prerna, and after she passed away, she was buried here. And this is the
She was blind?
She was
yeah, she was blind, and this is the statue of Prerna itself, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Underneath this statue she is buried.
yeah.
and she was the inspiration for this Govind Godham Gaushala.
Okay.
And, matlab, this trust has done an amazing job. Matlab, look at all the facilities for cows.
Yeah.
These are all abundant cows actually.
But
Yeah.
I felt really happy feeding it.
Yes, even I loved it. I loved it.
I'm not used to it.
Radha.
It is giving a beautiful, amazing smell.
This is
pleasant.
one of the best.
We have just finished with our dinner,
Yeah.
and now we are here for some tea.
Hot tea in this weather.
Hot,
And-
piping hot tea.
Piping
Yes.
hot tea, yes.
How was the food?
Amazing यार. Authentic Punjabi food. Authentic खाना है ना, authentic उस जगह पे जाओ. I mean, only then you are going to enjoy. Otherwise, you can't really enjoy these kind of food in any other place.
Yeah, and even
And it was
before
amazing.
that,
And we were already pretty hungry because we had been to 2 holy places.
yes,
We fed the cattle.
I had a
and
very
we
good
had a
time at the
great
Goshala.
time, and we were
Yeah.
literally hungry.
I'm not vlogging that much because I just want to enjoy this moment. But yeah, I need to keep a track on my vlog also. I need to make sure
Yes.
that I need to show you guys also where all am I going. But at the same time, I also want to live this moment. So, I just take a few snippets and I just keep the camera off because I just want to enjoy the time. I especially had a very good time at the Goshala. It was so good, no?
Too good, too good. This is my
Too
first
good.
experience in
Yeah,
my life.
same here. So yeah, we are now waiting for our tea to arrive.
Yes.
मतलब दिल खुश होता है यार
कितने
हमारा।
टाइम से मैं
पता
सोच
क्यों?
रहा था कि सर आपका विजिट करना है, फाइनली हो गया.
लुधियाना जो है ना, दिस इज नॉट अ टूरिस्ट टाउन. देयर इज नॉट टू मच टू डू हियर, बट व्हाटएवर इज देयर वी आर हैप्पी कि आपको अच्छा लगे.
Whatever is there, we should make the most of it.
मोस्ट ऑफ इट, यस. देखो, दो चीज़ें हमारे टाउन की अच्छी हैं. पीपल लिव देयर लाइफ टू द फुलेस्ट. दिस इज अ सिटी विच इज नोन फॉर द हॉजरी गुड्स, बेस्ट नोन फॉर हीरो साइकिल्स. And one more connection, because I'm a teacher of marketing. Mahindra and Mahindra, when they came from Pakistan, they came to Ludhiana.
Okay.
That company was known as Mohammed and Mahindra.
Okay.
M&M. Pakistan mein they had the same company. So when they came to Ludhiana, they settled down in Ludhiana.
They became
again
Mahindra and Mahindra.
हाँ, so they named it M&M था, Mohammed and Mahindra. So they said कि इसका नाम नहीं change करते, इसको Mahindra and Mahindra करते.
Oh wow. Nice.
So when I see everybody driving a Thar and Mahindra written at the back of that vehicle, so we feel so proud that they have a Ludhiana connection.
Ah, yes.
And even one of the biggest telecom giants Airtel.
Bharti Airtel.
Yeah, Bharti Group is from Ludhiana. Sunil Bharti Mittal, his brother Rakesh Bharti Mittal. So these things are, special to us.
Very nice, very nice. But I was really longing since last 7-8 months that we make this plan, execute it. Finally it's done. Sir.
Touch wood.
Yes, sir.
Now the only thing left is we stick to our itinerary and
Yes.
we enjoy to the full.
Enjoy, yes. I'm looking forward to tomorrow's trip.
Don't disclose the name. You're on camera. Don't disclose the name.
No, I'm not disclosing now because she wants to keep it a secret till tomorrow.
Okay.
Till we actually start our journey.
Yeah.
So we have some plans for tomorrow, and I have two different set of plans for day after tomorrow. Both are good. Either we stay in city A or we go to city B.
B.
But
Yeah.
whatever we do, we'll keep it busy.
Yes, we'll keep it busy.
Yes.
That's all. We have to make the time. That's all. That is what is important for us. And I still remember, when we reached here, you were cleaning your, windshield, and we came back there in Uber.
I have now reached my room and it is 10:30 right now. And Vaishak and I, we are staying in the adjacent rooms. He's also here, but he will be leaving in some time. And I just want to say that I had a very good time over. Like I had a very beautiful evening over here. And like after we reached, I'm sorry if you can hear the sound of the flush. Vaishak is inside the washroom. Anyways, so after having, after coming all the way from Delhi till Ludhiana, it was a wonderful journey that we had at the Vande Bharat. Then after that, we went to the, what was the name of the temple?
Shri Govind Godham.
Shri Govind Godham temple. Shri Govind Godham temple was where we visited first. And as I have mentioned already, or maybe I did not. No, I think I have already told you guys. First of all, videography is not allowed inside a temple premises. Usually, in temples and all, videography is not allowed. And apart from that, I'm not even comfortable vlogging in temples and all, because I just want to enjoy that moment and I just want to have my time with the Almighty. So I don't prefer taking too many videos and vlogging and all when I'm on my way to a temple or when I'm at a temple. Apart from the fact that videography is usually not allowed inside the premises. And the best time I had today was at the Gaushala. I had the best time over there. I have been wanting to visit a Gaushala since very long. Ever since I got to know about the concept of Gaushala, I have been wanting to go there, feed the cattle, and today finally we made it happen. And all thanks to Sachin sir. Sachin sir has been really, he has been such a good host, and we still have another few days to spend with him. He has really been a very good, I was about to say good host.
Yeah, he is a very good host.
Very good host. And I remember when Vaishak told me that sir has this plan to take us to the temple, and then he also is planning to take us to a particular Gaushala. I immediately told Vaishak that, just ask sir if it is possible to feed them out there or not, if any arrangements can be made. And I'm so happy that we could make it happen. I was also not sure whether we will be able to feed. I mean, I was pretty aware that we will be able to visit the Gaushala, but will we be able to feed the cattle out there, which I actually want to. That's what I mainly want to visit the Gaushala for. So will I be able to do it? And I'm so glad that we could make it happen. I had a very good time over there, and I really had it feels so nice to go and feed those innocent and harmless living beings out there. And I feel like now please don't take it the other way around. I'm just expressing my views. Different people have different point of view about cattle and all. I respect everyone's opinions, everyone's ideologies, but just want to say that when I went to the Gaushala and then I saw the cattle out there, the innocence that they have on their eyes, and the innocence that I could see in them, that just that was a very overwhelming moment for me, and I will really never forget this time. I'll never forget this time. And I remember telling Vaishak, to be very honestly speaking, I told Vaishak to take my video when I was feeding the cattle out there, because I really not really for not just because I want to add it in my vlog or anything, but most importantly because I want to keep it as a memory with me. I really wanted to keep it as a memory, and I will keep it forever. And I hope that even in future, I hope I get the opportunity to visit Gaushalas and feed the cattle, because it really made my evening. That's all I will say. And so then we went for our dinner, then we went for a midnight tea, and now I'm back to my room. And now I'll just change. I'll just change, wash my face and everything, and then I'll have my beauty sleep for tonight. So I'm ending this vlog for today. Vaishak, come. So, wait.
Yeah.
Sit. Wait. Yeah. So Vaishak is also leaving in some time now.
Now you don't have to ask my opinion again, because you already made it clear, crystal clear. I have to say exactly same thing.
Yeah.
It's a different experience for me, a unique one, a new one. Feeding cattle, let alone cattle, I think the only animal that I have ever fed with my hand is the dogs.
Yeah.
So this was a completely different experience for me, and I was a little bit scared also, because I didn't know how to feed, and moreover, looking at those cows with really big horns, I actually got scared. The way they were trying to come and pounce on it's not that they are harmful.
Yeah.
They're very innocent, but we get scared. At least I did. Initially I did, but
A little bit
otherwise,
initially,
yes.
even I got scared. Okay.
Yeah.
But then I will
But
still
the way
say.
they were, taking
Yeah.
it, licking with their tongue, no?
Yeah.
When we feed it with our own hands.
Yeah.
It feels a bit ticklish, and it also felt really very good, very good. That experience was
Yeah.
something different for me. I don't know if I'm able to make sense. But yes, having said all that, it was a very good experience. The rest of the
Yes.
things she has already made it clear. Food was amazing, authentic
Yeah.
Punjabi food.
Yeah.
Then Sachin sir, thanks to you. And you have been
We have a few more days.
Yeah, you have been a very good host. Like I said sometime back when we were discussing
Yeah.
OT, that you are not just a friend, you are someone whom we look up to, even as a faculty, and you are just like a dear brother to me, everything. So thank you so much. And we have, like she said, we have 2 more days to go.
Yes.
So we are looking forward to the rest of the days,
Yeah.
and we'll let you know eventually when we
Yes.
start with the day. What
Yes.
is going to be our itinerary. So yes, rest she has already covered it. Nothing
So-
else. I don't want to add anything else to it.
Yeah. So with that, I'm ending this vlog for today. So please do like, share, comment,
And
subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Diary of Jaya. Till then, good night.
Good night.
See you guys in my
See you
next
guys.
vlog.
I'm going to my room. Bye bye.
Bye.